Well, hello, it's October 24th, 2024. We are here at the La Cima Trail. Going to be heading up, or south on La Cima Trail to Sunrise Trailhead. Then cross over the highway to the PCT, and then head north on the PCT. Try to find a good spot where we can see a lot of the sky, so I can try to capture that comet floating around out there. Alright, we're at this intersection right now, and we're heading south still on La Cima. Got another mile or so, I think, to Sunrise Trailhead. Well, this is a little more accurate where we are right now. We just crossed this paved road, and we're on La Cima, heading to Sunrise Trailhead, 1.2 miles. Leaving Sunrise Trailhead, crossing the Sunrise Highway. And there's this little quarter-mile connector that takes us over to the PCT. Be over there in a few minutes. We are at the junction of the little connector trail to Sunrise Highway and the PCT. You're looking at the PCT northbound right there. Good morning. It's October 25th. It's about 8:50 a.m. and got a little bit of a hike ahead of us. So here we go. Came out here to hopefully get some video or footage of the comet, and it didn't really appear until at least an hour after darkness, not sunset, but darkness. And I thought, because it was over this hill here is the direction the comet was going to be, I thought it was going to be lower in the horizon by the time it got dark, and maybe I'd even miss it because of that hill right there. But I stayed up and waited and started taking time lapse or time exposures of just the general sky area, hoping I could spot it on the photos rather than with a naked eye, because I wasn't seeing anything. And after doing that for about an hour and almost giving up, thinking it had gone down below the horizon, I picked it up by taking a photo and then zooming in and looking at each star, and there it was, still very high above the horizon. At least with my naked eye, I could not find it. Binoculars would have helped, but by using the camera and taking some long exposures, 15-20 seconds, I was able to finally spot it. So then I spent another hour and a half, 2 hours watching it creep towards the horizon, taking probably at least 100 exposures with varying ISO and time exposures, 10, 15, 20 seconds, even a couple 30 seconds, and different zoom levels. I wasn't able to get any really spectacular shots. It looks like it's really small and getting farther away from the earth, I guess. Nothing like these spectacular photos that have been on the internet this whole time it's been there, but I will post a few shots of it here while I'm narrating this. See what I can do post-production, see if I can clean them up a little bit. So I didn't get to bed until 10:30ish. It was getting a little chilly, probably 45 degrees by the time I went to bed. I hit a low of 40 last night. Other than that, no wind, which is unusual for this spot. Beautiful night. And cup of coffee this morning. And now continuing the rest of the hike. Okay. Well, that's going to be a wrap on this trip. That's month 105. Been backpacking at least once per month since 2016. So come next January, that'll be a full 9 years backpacking every single month. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and come along on all the rest of them. You can look in the channel and see some past episodes and catch all the upcoming ones. See how the streak goes. All right. Enjoyed having you along, and we'll see you next time.